Kitchen renovations are costly, frustrating, and time-consuming. Thankfully, Semihandmade makes the process easy and affordable. How? By combining stylish and affordable door fronts with high-quality Ikea cabinets. Hi, I'm Janet, and I'm here to show you how to create your Semihandmade online order. What's also great about Ikea cabinets is their versatility. People use them in every room of the house. Best of all, you can purchase most without the doors. That's where Semihandmade comes in. Today we're going to focus on kitchens. Before we start, you'll need plans you've completed either online through Ikea's free planner or in an Ikea store. Be sure to design your space with the doors on. When placing your order with Ikea, just tell them you're taking off the doors, panels, toe kick, and trim. Start by selecting Order Your Kitchen in the Kitchen Shop. On the Order Your Kitchen page, you'll see two pathways. You can either create your own cart or we can create it for you. You'll find we offer doors for current, older, and discontinued Ikea kitchen systems. If you're replacing doors on Ikea kitchens purchased between 2003 and 2015, choose Akurum. Otherwise, choose Section. To begin, pick your product. We'll start with doors. Use the drop-down menu to choose the style and color of the material that best suits your space. From there, select the width, height, and quantity of the doors you need and simply add to cart. Once you've added all your doors, move on to drawers and repeat the process. If it sounds complicated, it's not. We're here to help. You can always pick up the phone or reach us by chat or email. For the fastest assistance, hit the How to Translate Your Ikea Plans link. Now you're ready to order panels and trim. Panels and trim are the parts that really customize your project and make it unique. Panels cover the exposed sides of your Ikea cabinets or island, and trim fills in any gaps. As with doors and drawers, start by selecting your panel style and identify the type of product you're looking for: cover panels, toe kick, or trim. Then select the color. Choose the size and quantity you need and add those pieces to your cart. One last thing to remember: all panels, toe kick, and trim come flat front slab style, oversized, and are meant to be cut to fit on site. If you need help finding the Semihandmade piece you're looking for, hit the How to Translate Your Ikea Plans link. Now let's do toe kick. Toe kick sits between the bottom of your cabinets and the floor. To determine how many pieces you need, we've created an easy-to-use calculator that even adds an extra 10% just to be safe. All you'll need to do is add up the width in inches of all your base cabinets. Let's move on to light rail. That's the optional trim that sits below your wall cabinets and covers the counter lighting. That trim, and anything like ceiling trim, is also created from toe kick material. To figure out how much you need, just add up the length of your upper wall cabinets and plug it into the calculator. Next is trim. Trim matches your panels and is any piece that fills the gaps between a cabinet and a wall, ceiling, or even other cabinets. It's what really gives your cabinets a built-in look. In some cases, like appliance trim above a microwave, it comes in exact sizes. In other cases, you'll need to trim it on site to get the most custom look. Great news, we're almost done. Be sure to finish your order by checking out the variety of beautiful handles, pulls, knobs, and latches we offer. Don't forget to review your shopping cart to make sure that you ordered correctly. Ordering your Semihandmade cabinet fronts takes you one step closer to the home of your dreams. Have a question? Call, email, or message us through chat. One of our amazing team members is there to help every step of the way. For more inspiration, be sure to check out one of our showrooms or find us on Instagram.